Alright guys, welcome back to it. Let's start this show off with a little bite that I really think is full of flavor and a little creative as well. That's kind of like I like how to roll. I kind of was looking always to create, Merle and I, always looking to create new dips and nice little fancy dips. And chutney is something, of course, here in Trinidad and Tobago, you can get a range of chutneys from mango to tamarind, different flavors. So we did a mango chutney. You can get this out of the bottle. And this is a perfect dip in itself. But we decided to say, hey, why can't we do a creamy chutney dip? So we're gonna add some cream to this chutney dip and see how it comes out. All right, we're in experimentative mode here. Let's go. Let's roll out this recipe. And I'm going to do some spicy chicken bites with it. So I have some chicken breast. I started to season it up, salt and pepper, and I'm adding some big bold spices to it. I'm starting with some paprika. Paprika goes in there, just about a tablespoon of paprika. I have geera. Geera will add that nice little smoky flavor. I have some cardamom. So cardamom has this kind of, it's very fruity type of scent I'm getting here. Used a lot, as I said, in international Indian cooking. Cardamom, look for it. I love to experiment with spices. That's right. And this is for some heat, some chili powder. So I really just want to toss this together. I had some, and I added salt and pepper, guys. So salt and pepper as well in there. And I just really want to mix this all together. And you see my pot is all nice and hot. Yeah, that's what you want to hear. Oh, that just cleared my nostrils. While the chicken is searing, I'm going to experiment with this creamy chutney dip. So as I said, I would say about a half cup of mango chutney. See how nice and thick. As I told you, you can use tamarind chutney, whatever chutney you would have or like, and like the flavor of tamarind is a beautiful flavor as well. So this is heavy cream. And we're just going to add about a quarter cup of heavy cream to this guy right away. Heavy cream also kind of thickens everything you put onto it a bit as well. I want to just add some salt, some pepper, and just for some good measure, I have some geera, some extra geera, so that I really just want to add some geera to give it that, a little extra flavor. For good measure as well, my slight pepper sauce. This is Bertie's slight pepper sauce in there. Check my chicken to get that turned there. Oh yeah, smells great. So you really just now want to kind of stir everything together, combine the chutney and the cream. Just about 3 to 5 minutes, as I said, on the chicken. You kind of just make sure your chicken is cooked properly. And you pile it on there. This is the kind of thickness that I thought I would get when the cream and the chutney kind of meet together and become one. Yeah, so the nice tang of the chutney and the cream just kind of balance it off a little bit, but it gives you that now spicy kick because, the geera and the pepper in there. So guys, I just want to take some of this and pour them in there. Lovely color, isn't it? Beautiful color. And this is just the perfect starting bite. Look at that. My nice spicy chicken bite that I can get a nice further little spicy, creamy chutney kick. It's not for the faint-hearted. Nice and spicy. We're just getting started. Come on back.